I'm giving you I Dream of Jeannie. I'm giving you Ariana. Hi YouTube. I'm minding my own business and today we're gonna show you how to do a gorgeous snatched pony. So the thing about a snatched pony is, if you're gonna do like wavy pony, or you could do like a curly, like you could do like your natural curls, but I'm gonna do like a sleek, straight snatched pony. So I like to get the texture of my hair the way that I'm gonna wanna wear it with my hair up before I put it up. So, I mean, you could iron your hair a little bit once you get it in the ponytail, but I think it's like a little harder. So I'm just ironing this hair really quick. Oh, Jesus. Ugh, kill me. It's okay, don't worry, I'm just gonna use this. I could have like done more perfect sections, but whatever. It's fine. So, first things first, when you're gonna do a snatched pony, you need some coffee. Then you're gonna need some tools. So you could use a gel if you wanted to do a gel for your edges. You could use a cream. I love using our air dry cream by JB Hair for this. You could also do a hairspray, and I will say hairspray is my least favorite, like at the end. If you wanted to put a little bit of the hairspray like in your hair before you start to snatch it, you could do that, which I'm gonna do today. This will help give you a little bit of control. But I don't like to use it for the flyaways at the very end because you need to like prep your hair to get good hold. So I just put that through, and I also did that to kind of just like dirty my hair up a little. It's hard to put your hair up at a snatched pony if it's super duper clean and there's no product. So definitely make sure that you're like putting some product in your hair to start. Then I think I'm gonna use air dry cream today. I am a little partial. I just think that this gives such beautiful shine. And I also like the buildable hold that this offers. This has chia seed and linseed in it, which is a natural texture enhancer. It also gives you a buildable hold. So the more you use, the more hold you're gonna get. So you can really like layer that in to your snatched pony. So you can see, I'm just gonna start to apply that air dry cream in through my hair. I'm gonna want everything to be straight back. If you wanted to do like a part in your snatched pony, you could like section this out and this out, much like we did in our messy bun. And then you could like do this at the end, but I want everything to go straight back off my face. So I'm gonna need more air dry cream than that, especially underneath my hair. That's the other thing. You gotta get like up underneath your hair. So I'm gonna go underneath and I'm gonna start to push the hair where it's gonna live, which on the underneath is up. And I'm gonna start to take this brush and I'm gonna start to like move the hair to where it's gonna live. I instantly hate this brush. Okay, so that's like a pretty good amount of product to work from. And you're gonna start to take your brush. You're gonna wanna start to gather the hair. I like to keep my hand see how I'm keeping this hand here and I'm brushing the hair to it. Then you can drop the brush, get the rest of your hair in your hand. So I've got like all my hair up in this hand. You can see we've got these bumps that we need to deal with. So I'm gonna take my little Sheila Stotts brush and I'm gonna start to brush the hair back together, and you can see you gotta release your fingers and then brush it through, re-grab. And then you're gonna have to start to like put the brush down and then use your hands to make sure that it's really smooth. So then what you can do, if you need a little bit more, you can take the product and squeeze it on your hand. Roll up your sleeves, you might work a sweat. Thanks, Queen. Okay, so the reason I like to put product here is because you can take a brush and dip the brush in the product and then use that to start to exact your hairlines and really get them going backwards. So again, you can, and then see how that's like a little wet spot? Don't even worry, just keep brushing it and it'll work itself into your hair. You can also, at the beginning, you might need to go back through with your like stronger brush, and then you can just take your finger, put it right on the hair that you need to control, whether that's gel or air dry cream, and you just wanna work it into the hair. Now I'm gonna wanna take this leftover and put it underneath because I gotta get this hair. Can you see that? So I'm gonna take the brush and I'm gonna make sure that all these back hairlines are really gathered. Take a little bit more. And you really want to pay special attention to your hairlines. And that means like where your hair starts. And the cool thing about air dry cream and just hemisqualane in general, it absorbs really fast. So you'll see that like you can see it once I put it on, but then it's gonna absorb and you're not gonna see that cream there. So this is starting to feel quite snatched. This is a time where you can start to just make sure that everything is in place. Okay, that's feeling good. I'm gonna do 2 ponytails to really make it tight. Give me the tension, or I don't want it. And then I'm gonna take it and just go like that. So Annie, that's feeling super tight. So now is a good time to go through with some more air dry cream, put that on the back of your hand, take your little comb and you can come in here and really start to detail your edges. So just take it right on the brush. Now I'm gonna get this stuff. I'm gonna join this back and just really get this slick. So good. Do some more. This brush is really nice. I don't know what it does, but it just really gets your hairlines looking clean and well put together. I'm loving this tension. Wow. So that's the slick pony. Then you can just take, if you wanted to, you could take like a little bit of hair and you could hairspray it and then take this if you wanted, and you could wrap it around the hair tie. You don't have to, but if you feel like it, you could. I love these amazing felt hairpins because they really like stay in your hair. These felt ones, honey, I live. Look, I needed 2 and it's like in there for good. So, I'm giving you Snatched. I'm giving you I Dream of Jeannie. I'm giving you Ariana. You must have a brush like this to really slick it back. You must have, honestly, I really do think air dry cream is such a great tool for this, not just trying to promote GB hair all the time. You know, I'm not sorry, it's just really good. Some sort of cream or gel, something to control the hair is a must. And I think putting product in your hair before you start, so prepping your hair is the other must. But I just really could not be happier with how this turned out. It looks really good. Just give me them babies. Soon what you're doing tonight. You're just doing me right.
Close it out.
Oh my God, thank you for coming to my TED Talk. Here's the other thing about snatched ponies. There's a million ways that you can do snatched ponies. There's millions of techniques, there's millions of tips. You could even do a porta pony on this if you wanted. Like if you wanted to put like an extension on this, you could. There really is endless tips and tricks. There's no like right ways, wrong ways, to each their own. And remember that when you're styling your hair, it's meant to be fun. It is a fun thing, it's an art thing, it's a self-expression thing. So if it's feeling really stressful and a nightmare, just take it down and put it in a little easy low bun. Like if you try it out and it's not working, it's okay. I do think though on this, the most common mistake for snatch ponies is that we aren't putting enough product in the hair before we start, especially if you have thicker hair or it's harder to control. Making sure that you have a lot of product in your hair before you start is gonna help to control those hairlines. You could also do like 2 ponytails, like do half up and then take the back half and do a ponytail right below that one. So you're kind of dividing it into 2. Would you guys like to see that? Comment below. But yeah, Snatch Pony, I love you YouTube. I hope this was easy for you. I hope you enjoyed it. I love you all so much. Thanks for coming to our channel. We love you. Like, comment, subscribe. Follow us on all of our channels. Hashtag JVN Hair. We love JVN Hair so much. We love you so much. And thanks for coming. Cute, right?
Yeah, cute.